Rockstar is reportedly remastering its PS2 era Grand Theft Auto trilogy. Remastering? I mean, how good can you make it?
Well, they can remaster means a bunch of things.
That's right.
They
That's
can
what I'm
add
wondering.
another level. They can definitely up the, graphics, physics, all that stuff.
Easy. Shadows,
For sure, yeah.
highlights, lighting. Are you talking about all this stuff?
Yeah.
So would it be comparable to a modern game, or is it going to still look like a slightly better old game?
I would think it would be a slightly better old-looking game.
Okay.
I mean, the fundamentals are there, like the gameplay. It's still fun,
Yeah.
So,
Right. It's crazy when you say PS2, that these titles are PS2. So I'm like, how much can you do with those games at this point? But at the same time, obviously, these are huge hits, mega classics. I mean, we're talking about Grand Theft Auto 3, Vice City, and San Andreas.
yeah.
A late October or early November release is said to be tentatively planned for the titles, which could eventually be released for PS4, PS5, Xbox One, Series X, S, Switch, PC, Stadia, and mobile phones. Okay. All right. That's a big, man. That's how you print money, Will. That's how you print money. You remaster the classics. GTA is a wild franchise. And I guess if the price is right, if they can provide some value there for people who didn't get a chance to play those games or who love them and want to play them again, then more power to them.
Yeah, they're classics. Go check it out.